Our focus this morning is on national capital Delhi, shattering all records and registering fresh COVID cases. In Delhi, it's witnessed its highest ever single-day spike of coronavirus cases, crossing the 8,000 mark for the first time. The capital has recorded 8,593 cases in the last 24 hours. 85 deaths have also been reported in 24 hours. The total number of COVID cases in Delhi currently stands at 4,51,382. The number of active cases is at 41,385. The death toll in Delhi stands now at 7,143. Meanwhile, you've got Congress leader Ajay Makan requesting Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to reimpose a lockdown in the city. This unprecedented spike that we're witnessing in daily COVID numbers comes as thousands of people are continuing to throng markets for Diwali festivities. The onset of winter with pollution combined is also being blamed for Delhi's third COVID wave. Worrying news really coming in from the national capital. For the first time since this pandemic broke out, Delhi reporting over 8,000 cases in a single day. It's being attributed really to several factors. One is of markets being overcrowded, people throwing caution to the winds. Then you have the pollution crisis also leading to a spike in COVID cases. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Aishwarya, over 8,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Situation very, very grim in Delhi. And this has prompted Congress to say that perhaps the time has come to reimpose a lockdown. Is that something the Delhi government is considering?
Well, at the moment, from what we understand, it is something which the government is looking at. They are looking at shutting markets. But let me tell you, they will face very stiff resistance. We did see what has happened to the economy because of the lockdown. And now is the time when traders are saying that we are seeing customers coming to their shops. They would not want to lose customers at the moment. But yes, on the other hand, we are also seeing the numbers rising very swiftly. We have already crossed the 8,000 mark in the national capital. From what we understand, Delhi government is now looking at a spate of measures which need to be taken. But one thing which needs to be told here, Akshita, is the fact that even people have now become lax. They are not using masks, especially in bigger Delhi markets at the moment.
That's very important to highlight also, that people need to do their bit, which is not happening at the moment. Aishwarya, thank you for getting us all those details. So amid this festive rush, and this is something that there was a lot of talk about, and the festive season, you could see a surge in the number of cases. The worry is that people are not doing enough. Now, because we've seen Delhi recording its highest single-day spike in COVID cases, questions are being asked about the Delhi government's decision of unlocking the capital and whether that's been adding to the COVID surge, because people clearly are thronging markets, not keeping basic precautions in mind. But let's break down for you what all is opened in Delhi that perhaps could be one of the factors leading to a COVID surge. One is that all cinema halls in Delhi are now functioning across the capital. The government has also allowed full seating capacity in public transport. Big question mark over that, on whether there is now ensuring social distancing norms are still being followed or not, if full seating capacity is happening. All weekly markets are allowed to open in Delhi. This is turning out to be a huge problem. People are not following norms. Many people seen without wearing masks and thronging with huge crowds in these markets. It's not just weekly, but all major markets that are open in the city. And during the festive season, we're seeing huge crowds gathering at these markets. Parks, monuments, all tourist attractions are also open in the national capital. And in many of these places, you'll notice from 2 months ago to now, it's almost like life has returned to normal. And what's worrying is that even basic precautions by Delhiites not being taken on the ground.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.